Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, quick, healthy home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for being with me here once again, and for all your continued support. And for those who are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I prepare another recipe, which is as always easy and healthy home-cooked. Cabbage with minced pork. So get now your pen and paper to write down all the ingredients. To begin, chopped 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Write in the comment your name and the country you are watching my video, for me to thank you and greet you on my next video. Next, chopped 1 medium-sized onion. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy home cooking recipe, made for all those housewives and for those you love cooking. This recipe is made for 2 servings. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Then slice 1 medium size of carrot. Do it as the strips. Your feedback helps us grow. Write in the comment your views. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to always notify on my next video. Then cut 1 stalk of celery. And put it together with the carrot. Cut 1 piece of tomato. This kind of tomato is different from usual we found in the supermarket. This is my first time I saw this kind of tomato, and I would like to try its taste. Well, it's not so juicy if you ask me. This tomato is much better for salad. Sometimes we need to try something new. It's a form of learning and knowing what the taste. Have 1 medium size of cabbage. Cut into 2. Remove the middle hard core, then cut into desired size. Then we have here 30 grams of minced pork. Now we are finished preparing all the ingredients we need. We can start cooking. In a heated pan with cooking oil, put the minced pork. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Just continue on stirring. This video is made easy for you to follow, and I hope you can still follow the recipe. Now the minced pork is a little bit toasted. We put it on the one side of the pan and we saute the garlic and onion. Once the onion is caramelized and the aroma comes out, we can mix the minced pork while stirring. Then add the tomato and continue on cooking. For the seasonings, we need 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, a pinch of coriander, and a pinch of nutmeg, and then mix all. After that, we add 1/2 cup of water and wait until it starts to boil. Now we can add the celery, carrot, and the cabbage. Continue on cooking for 2 minutes, then turn off the heat. To roast held to Tara, Abby of USA, Dennis of Great Britain, thank you for watching. This easy ground pork and cabbage skillet is a flavorful dinner the whole family will love, and it's ready in only about 25 minutes. With a simple homemade sauce that coats everything in salty, savory goodness, this recipe will be one to put on heavy rotation. I hope you liked today's recipe. Have a happy, healthy meal,